That goes back to formation again. So in the softer formations, we're going to be using a rotary style bit, which would be a tricone, a PDC, or a drag bit possibly. And even then, we would put different buttons on them depending on the abrasiveness of the formation or the hardness of the formation, even in a soft formation. When we go into a harder rock, then we're going to be using the DTH hammer, down the hole hammer and bit, the percussive tooling. And as far as the knowing when to use what bit, it's going to all be based on the hardness and the abrasiveness of the formation. We can design different buttons, face designs that can help with the hardness and the abrasiveness of the formation and overcoming those obstacles.